That's surprisingly deep. Wow.
And narrow.
Yeah.
If you were digging this, if you wouldn't want to collapse.
Yeah.
If you were doing this, something like you just want steel and everything.
So apparently what happened through this junk here is the European miners went through and mined the easy gold, and Chinese miners were only allowed to work on worked over ground.
Really?
And so these races were dug by Chinese trying to get deeper into the ground. They're a bit grumpy, they're falling in the water.
I tell you what, I could give you a flash gun, you could point it down the tube. I thought it had a different name.
Candle holders.
That is a half decent weather up in this hole. In fact, these a better one.
So according to that this was a railway, you know,
Yeah.
thing.
I'll check out the left one, Steve.
It's good of them to acknowledge that the roof was unstable and put the pit props in.
Amateur.
Yes, very interesting. A lot of vertical, almost.
Yeah, so I'm thinking they were just mining above us, and that was just how they washed the rubble out of their claims.
No, because this is sandstone. So
Yeah, but it would have
Yeah.
been.
no, I think digging this tunnel was quite hard work. So, they dug down and then dug out. So maybe that helped. They could sluice from above and
Just
all the-
drop it down the hole. And get
Yeah,
rid of it.
yeah, yeah. And then progressive. That's why it's not so high at this end. Yeah.
And then they've finished with that area, and they've just used it for chucking the rocks into.
Oh yeah, over here. This one's all filled with rocks.
Yeah.
Back here.
Well, yes, it's.
Wow.
And then you can read the panel and discover that Steve didn't know. So
I don't see what you mean by the corner factor. Yeah. This is not the ultimate approach to a bridge. I don't know why. It's like you could be just there. Why would you dig a tunnel? End of it.
Wow. That is real weird.
got sufficient boulder hopping to stay dry.
It goes to the river though, you know that.
Yeah, but look, that's got
I'll read
steps all the
your
way up.
description.
Packed steps, you can get in there and go through.
Very cool.
So this will go to the river.
Wow.
It's just basically a deep pool of the river.
It is a big one.
Still going?
Yeah, no, but you have to get down and lie on the sand and wriggle. You need cave pajamas. But it's the original cave, it's just silted in at the top end.
This is a cave and not a race, or
I know,
tunnel?
this is a race.
Tunnel?
This is man-made. Ain't nothing natural about this puppy.
Oh, I see what you're. But that,
See, if this was natural, it wouldn't have corona bottles.
Or like tons of pit
That-
marks.
is it just like they would have excavated that and this looks natural down here? Like.
Yeah, quite likely that was the base, and this is erosion.
Yeah.
This looks like the floor level here.
No, that's artificial. That's too. That's.
Huh.
No, I think it's as they dug the initial race, and then they needed more hydraulic gradient, and they've lowered it. It could just be erosion. Just lower.
Yeah, like I don't really see much for pick marks or.
But then, I mean,
Right, now, that is the one.
What's that?
I don't know how popular the one on the texture road.
Pretty soft.
Underneath, yeah, so it could be man-made and then eroded sideways rather than down.
Yeah.
Turn the lights out. I see no going.
Yeah.
I'm scared that we're bloody. You pay good money for a piggyback.
This is the same bucket style that is on the Gillespie dredge.
And it's a chain, just like a
Yeah,
bicycle chain.
yeah.
I mean,
I'd never seen something like that before here.
no, I thought I was so heavy that at the start,